to my channel. My name is Margaret, aka Hofa Maggie. Today I have Catherine.
Hi guys, my name is Catherine.
Yes.
So today we're going to be speaking about advice to my younger self.
So we're going to talk about these things in a whole bunch of different categories, from money to love, relationships, friends, everything.
Thank you so much for joining us for part 2. For other parts, please see the links in our description below.
So as some of you might have known, I have just recently turned 30.
Woo!
Old. Our sister is young and
I'm
fresh.
almost in my mid-20s, almost, not there yet.
That's how you know she's very young. Almost in her mid.
Almost.
Anyways.
The next one is entanglements.
Entanglements.
Relationships.
Relationships.
What do you say? Because I feel like people in their 20s tend to focus a lot on relationships, and then before you know it, this ties back to the school and job. Before you know it, you haven't achieved what you wanted to achieve because somebody's son
Has entangled you.
So yeah, what would you say about relationships?
I think it goes I think there's two things about this. So I think there's the side that you said, the girls who, or boys, I guess, whoever, who get too wrapped up in relationships to the point they forget all their goals. But I think there's the other flip side, those who are so focused on their goals that they don't look left, right, and now they wake up and it's like, who am I going to be with?
So both can be a bit dangerous.
Yeah.
So what would you say?
I think you need balance. So I think for me personally, I think when it comes to dating, you should just have fun.
Can you elaborate? Have fun, like elaborate on have fun.
I think you should just like, I don't know, I feel like if you're young and you're not boyfriend, girlfriend, I don't think you should be speaking to or dating less than 5 people at a time.
Okay, this is what I get mixed up between, like, because Americans say dating and we say like talking to. What's your definition of dating?
Dating,
What's
ladies, is someone who takes you out and spends some money on you. That's dating.
Okay.
Just a little bit. That's not be a lot, but just like taking to dinner and this and that. So Netflix and chill is not a date. That doesn't even count in the 5 that I'm mentioning.
Okay.
That doesn't count in the 5. The 5 are those who are like actively trying to pursue you, actively trying to get to know you.
At the same time.
Yes. But this is where the category of dating matters. Everyone has their different idea of what they should be doing with several people at once.
Yeah.
I don't think you should be doing anything that, like, you know, swaps bodily fluids or anything with more than one person at once. But other people have their own definitions and, you know, live your life as long as you stay safe. But I think you can have like dating / friendships with 5 different people at the same time, as long as, I mean, none of them's your boyfriend. If any of them is upset about the other, then you can just tell them like, oh, are we exclusive?
Yeah.
Are we exclusive?
But where are you meeting these 5 people?
Oh, you just...
Where do you meet these people?
Oh, where do you meet them? Well, for me, I met my husband really randomly. I met him when I was walking out of the supermarket and he was walking into it. But I am the type who just talks to strangers, so I didn't mind. But other people meet people through like friends and stuff. But I think it's really important to try to date in multiples, because once you find someone you like, if he's not your boyfriend, you might start acting crazy unless you have another person you're talking to.
Okay.
So like that's why I feel like, so you can meet them at different places. You can meet them through friends. If you want like a guy of a certain level and you don't live in that certain level neighborhood, one trick I used to tell my friends was just run all your errands in like a posh part of town. Like do all your grocery shopping there. Yeah. Do your grocery shopping, go to the bank there, everything like in that part of town, and over time you might bump into someone and then that's a friendship. So that's a little thing if you're like on the level up team, some women that like that. But yeah, you can meet them in all different places. But once you find yourself being like, oh my God, is he texting me? That's when anyone who asks for your number who's nice, give it to them. Just because like
take your mind off that person.
Yeah, you're gonna act crazy. That's when you end up in a situationship. And the thing is, I don't know for sure because I'm not a guy, but I don't think any guy is talking to only one girl if that's not his girlfriend. Because there's even guys that it is their girlfriend and they're talking to other girls. But I think girls, we like to be like, oh, I like him, we're talking to him. And then you're in a situationship for like 3 years and he hasn't even called you his girlfriend. And here you are wasting your time. You know?
I know. So basically, don't keep your eggs in one basket.
At all. Until the basket has claimed you.
Wow. The basket has claimed you.
Exactly. Until he says, oh, I don't want you to talk to nobody else. I'm your boyfriend. You're my girlfriend. That's it. Then fine. Even some schools of thought will still say keep some on the side, but that's a little dramatic. The other flip side, those who are so focused on their goals, they don't talk to anyone. I think it's really important to try to have balance. Because if you're, I mean, there's always still hope for everyone, but it gets harder, I think, as you get older. People have more baggage and stuff. That's true. Yeah.
I also think though that us as females, we actually have control, but that we probably don't know that we have control. So when it comes to like relationships, or if a guy's interested in you, like we can like wait on their terms, or wait for them to be ready, or wait for them to do that, but we can actually make it on our terms. It doesn't have to be on their terms. So I feel like that's why probably in our 20s a lot of girls get caught up in this entanglement, and that's where the crazy side comes out, because you don't act like you wait for them to, you know, like decide on anything. And I feel like it shouldn't be like that. So many girls, because we tend to be nurturing anyway, so we'll just be waiting on them, or always putting them before us, and no.
And which is why, another reason why I call it the starting five. Okay. That's what I call it.
So just eliminate. Bye.
Another reason why I think the starting five gets rid of that issue as well is because, like you were saying, girls give the guy a lot of attention and they put it on his terms. I was advised once that, like, if a guy's talking to like 4 different girls, the one he's going to pay attention to the most is the one who seems the busiest. Who just seems like she's not available. It's not even like she's playing hard to get. She's just busy. You hit her up. Oh,
it's true. Exactly. You can't be giving a guy all your time, like picking up on the first ring. No, it's gonna ring out. I get that.
Exactly. If he asks to go out to eat today, like, oh, okay, like you have nothing else to do.
True. Like you're waiting for that. Please text me. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that.
But if you're talking to 5 others and like you have like dinner dates and stuff going out, if he hits you up today, be like, oh, sorry, I have something going on with a friend, but we can meet next Tuesday or something. And then it makes him feel like, oh, she got things going on. You know what I mean?
And that's how it becomes on your terms.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So that's good. That's some
5.
good tips. Yes. Okay. So the next one on the list is friends.
And that's all for part 2. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 3 or any more of this series. Have a lovely day. Bye.